Hey everyone, it's Drew. Happy New Year. Hope you had a good one. I didn't. Had a good New Year's party, whatever, watching 80s cover band or whatever, that kind of thing. Drank too much and paid the price the next day, and then the next day, and then today. So I'm home from work right now, but it is January 3rd, 2017. What a bastard 2016 was. But 2016 allowed us to get our way up to where it is right now, and that's where we're sitting at since October, November timeframe. It has been sitting idle since then. Just gotten back from Pensacola, visiting my in-laws, for over the Christmas break. I love my in-laws. I don't hate my in-laws like everyone else hates their in-laws, that kind of thing like that, or they build like a house on their property separate, like a mother-in-law house, that kind of thing. There's a guy on my street that's doing that, and I think it's kind of silly. But whatever. That's my opinions on the matter, but alright. It's been sitting idle. However, we have more train cars than we know what to deal with right now. This 5-car setup, it is a double stack, articulated, bulk carrier articulated set. Got it for $30 from a guy called, the guy's name is, I don't remember his name, but his last name is Johnson. And he has a business out in North Pensacola, and I'm sure many people have visited his website before. It's called Trains by Johnson. It's a very well polished site. I'm actually quite surprised for a man of his age. I'm usually used to the garbage websites, but that's okay. Not docking you, man. That's actually very impressive. But he has it's a well-established business, and it's got wall-to-wall, wall-to-wall, wall-to-wall. He primarily specializes in HO scale, has an entire room wall set up for it. And then the entire front of his business is all dedicated to N scale. There is some G scale and O scale stuff, but mainly HO and N scale. So he has a used equipment section, so that's where I got that double stack articulated set for. Got it for about $30. The Tropicana orange juice car right there is one of 7, I believe. I got 7 cars. I got the entire set. What they had, anyways, is a used set. Yes, they're all the same car. And sorry for the glare a little bit there. I had the plate on. So, Tropicana, all different road numbers, red caboose, complete kit, complete set for $29. So we got that. So what we have to do is to decorate these shelves. If my autofocus wants to work, we're gonna put up those extruded aluminum shelving units. I can't remember what the company name is. Focus, you dummy. So we're going to be putting those up on the wall. And then we also got Seaboard Coastline. And we also got Southern Railway. So we got these 2 signs. They're cardboard. That's all they are. Printed cardboard. So we're going to put those in a album art for like vinyl or whatever. A hanger, so they're going to go on the wall as well. And we also have, we purchased this a while ago. You can see brief glimpses right there. We have a full-size railroad crossing sign that I got from I would if I would call it such, like an American Pickers flipper guy. So he just goes out and buys crap and then flips it for like more money. I think we got this for $100, whatever it was. It's actually a good deal. So it's full-size, extruded aluminum. Yeah, we got the aluminum ridges and then the big bolts going through it to hold it together. We just got to figure out how to mount it to the wall. So I think my drywall is 5/8 thick. 5/8 of an inch thick. So I'm going to need to find a way to get this to mount to the wall. I might have to build a brace that goes through to the studs. And that was garbage down there. Mount down to the studs and then probably anchor it in there like that. But Besides these guys, these pieces and parts and that kind of thing, the set has been idle since October, November, and Dixie's wondering what the hell I just kicked. So, also when I was there, I got some switches. So, here's my 15-inch manual switch, which will go onto this main line. Then I got a Mark IV custom turnout, which will go onto this line. And then a 19-degree crossing, which will go onto here and join up with that number 4, that Mark IV turnout. And then there'll be a line coming in here to a building, to the machine shop, and then that manual right-hand switch will go over here into the rebuilder set. We got a manual switch machine for that Mark IV. Even though I could probably use this, I just got more switches just because. Got my cutting board, self-healing cutting mat, so I can finally start building those stupid those model kits. But everything else is just standby kind of thing. So has not run since October, I would guess. I don't know what she's doing. What are you doing, Dixie? What are you doing, Dixie? You gotta stop investigating. You're gonna start messing with things. So yeah, I'm gonna mount that on the wall. We might move that sign, not the Route 66 one. We're gonna get the 2 tracks one and probably put it in conjunction with each other. So probably on that wall up there, and then probably put the album art display cases on the wall for the signs. I'm gonna see if I can get some more of them. Probably some CSX, Norfolk Southern, that kind of thing. That's what's all around here anyway. But we are in the process of, well, I shouldn't say we. I am in the process of doing multiple damn business trips for the next 6 months. So, no updates for the next couple months. Might show you, processes of getting the shelving put up, and then maybe the sign if I get some good pointers on how to do that. But I was back. I was only here at home for maybe 6 days in December. I spent 2 weeks in Italy. I hate that country. I don't know why. I just hate it. And then came back for 3 days, then went to Pensacola for a week, and then back for a little bit after that. So, and then the next couple of days we're going to Spain, near Gibraltar. So we're going to go out there and do a install and train some people up on how to work on new shit. So, yada yada. One of these days I'll take you all with me and maybe take a nice video on this camera, or using my phone. Either one works. I mean, they're both about 1080i, 1080p, whatever. Other than that, we are just sitting and waiting until I get back. So we will actually put the switches in and all that good stuff, and then put the shelving up so I can put. So I'm gonna scroll over to my closet, my ugly closet. Up in here, I have a Pennsylvania Railroad passenger set right up there, and that's gonna go on a shelf with the automobiles car right there. And then we have all this Virginia and Truckee cars in here, back there. We don't have the locomotive that goes with it, so we'll just use our Canadian National steam locomotive. So we'll use that. So we got all these cars that are just waiting in wait, just lying in wait for what else to do. We also got some junk in there as well. So I just put it like on the display rail. So, alright guys, I've talked for too long and stumbling over myself and getting my teeth getting in a fight with my tongue. So, no updates, new cars, future plans. Learn me how to mount that thing. I really have no idea how to mount that thing. It's a heavy son of a bitch. So, and our two guys over here, our Switch and our CSX engine, are waiting new decoders, which I have not ordered yet. So I will get there eventually. Alright guys, take care, enjoy, Happy New Year, and back to the grind. Bye.